So Paul George finally spoke out about the rumors of him leaving OKC, because if you guys remember, he originally wanted to be a Laker, but the Pacers traded him to the Thunder. So everyone is like, of course Paul George is gonna leave to join the Lakers because they didn't want to be on the Thunder. But Paul George describes interest in the Lakers as overrated. Paul George is actually excited to play with Russell Westbrook on the Thunder. He said, all I was asking for was a little help in Indy, meaning Indiana, on the Pacers. And then he went on to say, now I'm getting a lot of help in OKC. Of course, that help being Russell Westbrook. And then he also added, I think I can fit in with how he plays and vice versa, meaning Westbrook. He said, being a knockdown shooter, I think I can spread the floor for him and run the floor with him. But I also think I can help get him easier opportunities, being able to drive and dish the ball out so he can attack guys closing out on him. And he also added, our defense is gonna be insane. So Paul George is happy and thrilled to be on OKC and playing with Russell Westbrook, which brings us to the point of, is he gonna join the Lakers when he's a free agent in the 2018 NBA season? And Paul George actually spoke about that. So Paul George finally spoke about his position on the possibility of joining the Lakers as a free agent in the 2018 NBA season. So Paul George said, I grew up a Lakers and a Clippers fan who doesn't want to come to play for their hometown. That's a dream come true, but it's definitely been overstated. For me, it's all about winning. I want to be in a good system, a good team. I want a shot to win it. He said, I'm not a stats guy. I'm playing this game to win and to build a legacy of winning. If we get a killer season in Oklahoma, we make the conference finals or upset the Warriors or do something crazy, I'd be dumb to want to leave that and join the Lakers. So I mean, the Lakers are building around Lonzo Ball, Brandon Ingram. Paul George also added, it's too early for LA. It would have to be a situation where the ball gets rolling and guys are hopping on. So Paul George is saying it's too early to go to LA right now. All they have is Brandon Ingram and Lonzo Ball. Paul George wants to play for a team that can give him the best chance to go to the finals or win the finals. Paul George has to make that first decision. If Paul George joins LA, he's gonna make it attractive for other players, such as LeBron James. He also added, I'm in OKC, so hopefully me and Russ do a good enough job and make it to the conference finals. But anyway, man, tell me in the comment section what you guys think. But Paul George, for now, he's staying in OKC. He wants to see what him and Russell Westbrook can accomplish. But if LA starts to become a good team and players want to play in LA, then he's gonna join LA too. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section, and I'm out.